post-greasing machine. Biforce Technology post-greasing machine is designed to automatically apply lubricant to the terminals of the battery in order to prevent their oxidation. The working head is equipped with lubricating tools with a pneumatic drive for quick and high-quality lubricant application to the battery posts. The function of the machine allows adjusting the amount of lubrication and the time of application. Installation and setting of the lubrication tool is quick and easy. The machine is equipped with a motorized conveyor with a simple and quick adjustment of the guides, as well as a reliable battery positioning and fixing system. The Smart Stop system does not allow the delivery of a new battery while the previous one is in the process of greasing. The machine can be used as a standalone installation or as part of a finishing line. Control. Automation of technological processes is carried out by Siemens plc. The machine is equipped with a Siemens built-in touchscreen which allows entering the necessary parameters and monitoring the lubrication process. Advantages. The necessity of treating the terminals with protected grease is due, first of all, to the preservation of the effect achieved during the process of their cleaning from the oxide layer. The presence of a protective lubricant on the surface of the battery terminals protects it from re-oxidation of the surface during the storage period up to commissioning. At the same time, the battery will be fully ready for operation without additional actions, which increases its attractiveness for the end user. Using a post-greasing machine at the final production stage will ensure batteries with the protected terminals meeting OEM standards.